Go.
Okay, I'm open. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, everybody again. This is Uncle. I got myself some
Open it up and show it.
my hair, because my hair's so long. This is for my hair.
Oh, open it up and put the hair, show how it works.
Yeah.
Those don't look very good. Those look like they could break easily.
Take that out. That out my hair. See how long my hair is? See, it's so long and always.
Those look very fragile.
I always put my hair in a ponytail. Take this, open like this. And then this right in here. You can see it?
I can kind of see it.
Like that.
Ooh, pretty. How do you have?
I have. That's the one in my hair. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
5 and more here.
How many do you need?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, a bunch, didn't you?
Yeah. They're same. These are same.
Yeah, let's see what these are called and what their prices are. Those are called
Look there.
banana hair clips, fish shaped grip clamp hair, 5 inches of 5 something. They were $9 for a pack of 6 each. There's 2 packs.
Okay.
Okay, I got that done.
That was the next one.
I'm gonna stop the video.